Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Ranaji Vidyapat standard 5th. So students, today we'll start in unit number 5th. Draw drawing in angles. So how to draw the angles? So students, in that let's draw an angles of measure of 16 degree using the protractor, a ruler and pencil. So here is a protractor, this one is a ruler and this is a pencil. Now students, what we have to do? Draw a ray with a ruler and label it as AB, where A is a vertex. A है वो यहाँ पे क्या है? Vertex है. Then students, second things, the center of the protractor, vertex A, the ray AB should overlap the zero line of the protractor. We have to put like that. And then students, we have to count of the zeros till you reach 16. हमें ज़ीरो से काउंट करना है जब तक हमें 16 नहीं मिलते हैं. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 16. So mark a dot at the number of 16. Label it as a point C. इसको हम क्या करेंगे? Point C. Okay students. Then we have to draw the line. So remove the protractor, join the point A and C. That we have to join it. So here is how many degrees is there students? It will be a 16 degree. So the mark the angle formed by ray AB and AC with the number and the degrees symbol. Name the angle and write its measure. So angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. Angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. Okay students, got this point? So how to draw the angles, you have to know how to draw it. Now we'll start worksheet number 9. That worksheet we will start. Okay students, so let's start that. Okay students, so in that standard 5th subject maths unit 3 worksheet number 9. Okay students, so in that first one is, so we have to draw one line. Is that in that line, first one sum. Okay students, so we have to draw one line. Okay, this line is completed. See, then students, we have to count till we get the 100. So now see, 80, 0, 1, 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So here we have to mark. Okay students, we have to mark here, and there we have to give the name H. We have to write here H, and this line is F and G. This line is a F and FG. Okay, so this is the FG, and here we have to draw the line. Join this dot students. Okay, and this one is a H. So students, look at this. This angle is 100 degree. How many degree is that? 100. So we have to write here angle HFG is equal to 100 degree. Okay, now students, I'll give you one minute, so you have to draw it. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next second one sum, B1 sum will start now. So students, first of all we have to draw in the B1 sum. First one is complete. Here is a B1. So students, we have to draw one line. This one we have to draw it. Now see, look at this. Okay. Then we have to count 130. So see, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 is there. So students, we have to mark over here. Okay, we have to mark this, and here we have to write the name is ST. This one is the ST. S is a vertex, and we have to join this dot, students. So we have to now join this dot. So in that dot, students, we have to write here U. So this angle is, look at this angle is 130. This angle is 130. So here we have to write angle UST is equal to 130 degree. Now I'll give you 1 minute, students. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start C1 question. So students, in a C1 question, okay, so first of all we have to draw one line. Okay, so this is a line, students. We have to draw this line. Now we have to mark as a 120. So we have to count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 112, 10 and 120. Okay, so now students, we have to draw this, join this line, students. We have to join it. Okay, so we have to join the line. So students, here we have to give the name PQ, and this one is a RQ, RP, and P is a vertex. So students, this angle is, look at this angle is 120. This angle is 120. So here we have to write angle RPQ is equal to 120 degree. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, students. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question, D1 question. So in that D1 question, okay students, so we have to put this here, protector, and then we have to write first line. In that line we have to name like BC. We have to write here BC. Okay, then we have to count till we get 130. Okay, so students, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. So here we have to write, point it out, this outside and inner side both. Then we have to join the dots. We have to join the dots, students. Okay, and then this name is DBC. So this angle is, students, 130. 130 is there. So here we have to write angle DBC is equal to 130 degree. Okay, now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to draw this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start even portion. So students, first we have to write here even portion. Draw one line. Then we have to count, still we'll get 120. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So we have to write, point it out here. Then we have to join the dot. Now here we have to write GH, and this one is a J. So let's join, students, which angle is there. So students, this is a 120. So here we have to write angle JGH is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now I'll give you 1 minute, students. You have to complete this. Students, you have to draw this all the angles in your maths notebook, because in your book you have to write it directly 120 and 130 like that. But you, if you are drawing, so you, अगर आप draw करते हो, ठीक है, so you can identify easily, ठीक है. So you have to draw this in your maths notebook. Now also students, your work is complete. Now we'll start F1 portion. So in that F1 portion we have to draw one line first. Okay, lining is done. Now students, we have to count 120. 120, only 25. 0, 10, 20. Then 5 is there, so this is a middle point, so this is a 5. We have to mark over here. Okay, join this dot, students. So we have to write here mn, this is the m, this one is the n, and here we have to write o, this is o. So here we have to write angle, this is a 125. See students, this is a 125. So here we have to write angle m o, angle OMN is equal to 25 degree. Okay students, now I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to draw this. So students, here worksheet number 9 is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 10. Let's see that worksheet, students. Students, worksheet number 10, angle drawing. Step for the drawing an angle, draw an angle of measure 60 degree. So what we have to do, students, first of all we have to draw a ray with a ruler and label its AB, where A is a vertex. So हमें एक रूलर लेनी है, उसके थ्रू हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, उसको A और B नेम देंगे और वहाँ पे A है वो क्या होगा, एज अ वर्टेक्स वर्क करेगा. ठीक है. Then we have to place the center point of the protector at the vertex A or the ray AB should match with that zero line of a protector. हमें प्रोटेक्टर को ऐसे रखना है कि जैसे हम ए बी हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, सो वो मिडल पॉइंट में हो और ए बी जो रे है वो ज़ीरो लाइन में हो. ठीक है. देन विल काउंट ज़ीरो स्टिल यू रीच 60. हमें ज़ीरो से काउंट करना है जब तक हमें 16 तक हम पहुंच जाए. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So we have to mark over there and then we have to give the name C. रिमूव द प्रोटेक्टर, हम रिमूव कर लेंगे प्रोटेक्टर को एंड ज्वाइन द ए सी को हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. मार्क एंगल फॉर्म बाय द रे ए बी एंड ए सी विद द नंबर एंड द डिग्री सिंबल मार्क एज अ write the measurement. So angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. Okay students, so I hope so you all are understood easily how to draw the angle that already I'll explain you. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 9 and 10. That worksheet you have to write in your maths notebook and send it to me your homework before 1:30. You have to complete this and send it to me your homework before 1:30. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.